It's another vlog. You know, we're in Lanzarote with Gran Canary Islands. Don't mind me looking by okay? I just came out of a long flight. You know how we're outside 6 car rental. We just got this beautiful little baby.
It's not a bad vehicle.
It is a cutie. She's a drop-top Fiat 500. I think it's J-Lo's car. But you know, we're gonna use her, and yeah, we're just gonna drive around and just get something to eat before we actually commence the reason why we're here. But yeah, happy Valentine's, everybody. Bye. Hey guys, so it's Valentine's today, aka our 13th anniversary.
I know, right?
Woohoo! It's 13 years, babe. Tell them something.
Yeah, bro.
13 years.
I met this one. I was out and about, and I bumped into him back.
You know I'm gonna get copyright with this music, so we need to start the music first. Listen, I'm about to get copyright for nothing, man. You were saying, since now we've been able to post the music, you were saying, so you met me 13 years ago, and what was the go-to?
Man was out and about, bro. Man was out and about.
And then what happened?
Man see a ting.
What ting did you see, though?
Man see a ting.
What ting did you see, though?
Oh, man see a ting.
Don't keep them in suspense, though. Tell them what happened. Like, yeah, but what ting? Like, what ting are you referring to?
Man see a ting.
Yeah.
The man had to approach the ting, and then, you know, get the digits and all that.
You see this guy I got to get, you know. So obviously I had my, like, I was like playing hard to get and whatnot, because I was with my girl and everything, you know. I was like, I ain't gonna give him my number. And then, you know, he smooth talked me with the New York accent and whatnot, whatever.
New York accent?
Didn't you come with a New York accent with me?
Heck no.
He came with a New York accent. He was like doing all the Bronx, and I was like, oh, okay. So he American of thing.
Yo, that's all that, you know.
Anywho, so 13 years later, here we are in this beautiful island outside Africa. I still say it's Africa. I don't care. It's technically, it's just politics. It's politics, but it's Africa. Listen, I can see Gambia from here. We're in Africa or wherever. Are you gonna continue choking me? You're gonna let me go? Imagine.
It's called Lanzaro.
Yeah. Okay. My hair. My hair. Okay. Let's get this.
Hey, did you show them the pool and all that though?
Yeah, they've seen a little bit. You guys in the pool? You want to see the pool? But the thing is, it's nighttime right now, so it's not gonna look ass.
It's a vibe. You know the man them and everyone come out with the man doing the thing with the chick.
Are you gonna jump in the pool and show them?
It's not. It's warm, but it's not that warm. It's warm, but it's not. But yeah, it's a vibe still.
It's a vibe, yeah. It's a vibe. But anyways, we're here in the nice apartment. It's a little bit messy because obviously we've got some things going on. We got the drink and suitcases and stuff. We got some stuff we got from Pret when we landed. It's a
vibe still.
But like, I know we went a little bit AWOL today, but we are gonna vlog a little bit more tomorrow, because today is, like I said, it's our anniversary, so we kind of want to do things off camera. And yeah, so we're gonna just leave you guys because we got business to handle.
It's a vibe.
It's a vibe still. So you know, it's still anniversary time. And,
it's a vibe.
I don't look, you know. All I'm saying is I don't want to be on the camera right now. I got things to do. See you later.
Yo, morning come. About to go yam some breakfast, you know. A good old brekkie. So we've heard good morning.
Hi.
You alright? We've heard good stories about this this brekkie place we're going. So we're gonna go see what it's all about. They call it Kentia or Kentia. One of them, you know. But hey, what you say? What you saying now?
Yo, good morning guys. So sorry about last night, you know, I have to keep that private and all. But yeah, we're just out here looking for some breakfast. It's just the Kentia restaurant is part of a hotel. I'll put the name here, I can't remember its full name. It's La Mer, Hilaire something. Yeah, so we might have missed breakfast because it's 10:05.
It look rammed still, so
it's rammed still.
Still active, look.
But no, I think that's the restaurant. I think that's the okay, yeah, but we'll just go in the restaurant. Because I think there's two different places. A breakfast place and it's a restaurant place, but we'll just go straight to the restaurant. Whether I'm dressed for the occasion, I don't know. I'm wearing hot pants shorts. But you know.
Bumper to bumper.
Got Valentine in it.
Oh, yeah. Bumper to bumper.
Hey guys, so we're gonna be coming back tonight for this JL's. Keto diet, I'm not allowed carbs, I'm not allowed sugar, so I have to keep it clean and keep my body healthy.
So
all this was inspired by Shayla.
You're not allowed none of this stuff I'm having.
Everything you have, I can't have. Everything you have. Well, you can eat meat. The thing is, I don't eat meat, so.
This nigga was about to go the wrong way down a one way, but all the cars are facing that way, but she's choosing to go that way.
I got confused.
Look, every single car
I got confused.
facing that way, and she wants to drive.
Listen, it was a little bit of confusion, just a little tiny bit. Alright, don't jump.
But the cars facing didn't.
Yeah, but I wasn't looking what people were facing. I was looking, how do I get out of the situation? So anyway, we just finished eating at that lovely place. We just headed down to the beach side to just see what's going on. They are saying it's gonna rain today, but
it does look a bit cloudy.
It looks a little bit cloudy, but it's not too bad. You know what I mean? So
still a little sunshine out there.
At least, you know, we've got a drop top car. See, some people are lost themselves. You know, I just went the opposite direction, but you know, it's fine. Still snow. People here drive really fast, and I'm not about to like drive fast for anyone else's pleasure, so I'm gonna take my sweet time. I have no idea where I'm going. My husband's not directing me.
Okay.
And we're not, no, I can't, can I go down here?
Yeah.
Yeah, go down there. Welcome to Veradora Markets. We are in Lanzarote, but obviously it's like any other market out here because you're selling hats, you're selling bags, you're selling whatever. You've got people braiding people's hair. And yeah, we're selling hats. Literally, it's just like a market like any other place.
Is this where you go and turn into a mermaid?
Yeah.
Go on.
So basically, in my previous life, I was a mermaid. I never told my husband this because, like, we would have got freaked out. Would have been like,
show me. So we want to see.
Normally, I would have gotten his water and you start seeing like pink.
We want to see.
And then my hair would have turned pink. And because of the situation, you know, I've got witnesses. I can't, you know, show
turn into a mermaid, man.
Well, I'm a kuluma. Anyways, I will turn into a mermaid in normal circumstances, but you know, because of the situation.
Get in the water. Go.
The drinking thing, innit, with my partner in crime here at Mixed Tapas. You know what, we're gonna go through this vlog. I'm not gonna know any places. Mostly this restaurant don't have names. It just says tapas and cocktails. So I'm sorry, there's not gonna be a location description anywhere here. But it's kind of like we're just like bar hopping right now.
Good views.
It's awesome views. So you can see we've been standing by the waterfalls. You've been seeing this. They've got this. Ooh, they're multiplying. And I'm losing control. Okay, copyright.
Help me along, yeah. Let's go. Help me along. Help me along.
Hey guys.
She thinks she's light as a feather.
I'm light as a butterfly.
Light as a feather, man.
I'm light as a feather. What are you talking about? Yeah, man. Just chilling, man. As you can see, my husband can take my weight. Just like that.
Check your weight.
Take my weight just like that.
Check your weight.
Check my weight. My weight's perfectly. Yeah. Depending on what scale you go to. If you go by BMI, I'm overweight. If you go by Africa, I'm skinny.
No comment.
There you go, be shady.
No comment.
Got like jazz music here, and I think they're doing something nice.
I want to come back here at night time.
Sax on the roof.
Night views.
Sax on the roof, that's too nice. Yeah, we're doing that as well. So I mean, it's awesome, man. It's awesome. Yeah, I hope you guys are doing good, man. Yeah, we're just kind of chilling. It's not like an excursion holiday. It's just kind of like a chilled out. That's why you're having a different vibe on this vlog. We kind of just chill, like drink, be merry, eat, and whatever. I mean, let us know in the comments if you want us to do something different. Like, what do you want to see? Like, what do you want us to do? What other couples do on YouTube, or like what to go on? We'll do it. Like, just tell me. Like, it's quite. That's it. What is that? There we go. Thank you.
So we're trying to figure out a situation.
Which is what? What situation, though?
The gameplay.
You want to tell them what it is? They obviously don't know what we're doing.
So there's a game called 4 Picks 1 Word.
Basically, you're supposed to look at the 4 pictures and come up with a word. If you guys can figure out this clue, let us know in the comments below what your results are. 4 pictures is the clues, and the word is in the clues. And here's the letters.
So the pictures are the clues, and the word is down below. And I keep looking at this guy here distracting me.
Which
with
one?
His chest. Sure. See this guy out here. Oh, chesting out like. Oh, you don't know it. Oh, you don't know it.
It's hard to figure out, so we don't know. So there's a way you can do. You can like purchase the clue, but you lose points of how many points you gain. Don't worry about how bummy I look today. Listen, I'm tired.
Play.
Anyway, so yeah, I'm just having my cup of tea. I know I look mashed up because I'm
Bullet point.
Why are you doing that?
I don't know.
Anyway, after a couple of drinks,
This is the real struggle.
you know, we can't be vlogging after we have cocktails and stuff, you know, because this is the vlog. You know what, we're gonna pause it because I know you guys don't want to see this.
No, they want to know the answer.
No, okay, what's the answer then?
I don't know.
You don't want to see this. Anyway, we'll come back.
Hey, we'll show you the answer when
We'll
we'll
show you
figure
the
it
answer
out.
when more to going out for dinner. so we're back at Kentia place where we're going to listen to some jazz. I hope we're not late. We're actually an hour late, I think.
On Calais Salinas towards Calais, Bourg-en de la Couronne.
Someone still got sat now.
I know, right?
Calais, Bourg-en de la
You might want to
Couronne.
talk up that. Anyways, so yeah, we're just outside the place now. Hopefully they're still playing jazz music, because you know we came out here, straightened my hair and whatnot, even wearing the very revealing red dress. But yeah, we here. We here.
I want to hear some Motown classics.
No.
It's not a minute, hour, day or nothing. I don't love you. You're at the top of my.
Guys, so we just finished the night at La Isla Mar.
Yeah.
La Isla Mar. It was really good.
What's it called?
La Isla Mar or something like that.
La Isla Mar.
Yeah, we got to meet like the guy that was singing. It was really good. He was really nice, by the way.
La Isla Mar.
Yeah, we showed him love, as you guys saw. But yeah, so now we're just on our way back home, because it's been an eventful night. We're just on our way back now. You know what, I didn't even get to show you my outfit like fully because it was cold. Like there was a breeze coming from one of these doors. Why traffic? I'm telling you, traffic here. Like you need to be so careful. Like people coming here 100 miles an hour.
No one cares, bro.
No one cares, especially for us. So I'm like, I ain't trying to, you know, be
What do you mean,
splattered.
especially for us?
Listen, all I'm
Hold
saying,
on.
all I'm saying, I'm not gonna go into politics.
Especially for us.
I'm just saying, I ain't trying to get splattered here, cause you know, ain't got that time. But anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed that little clip. So we're back, well, going back to the yard now. And,
Yeah.
and all that good stuff. So, but yeah, good night.
Yeah.
See you in the morning. Or whatever.
Whiskey.
What's up, people?
Oza.
There's no Oza. What's going on? So it's our last night, isn't it? It's our last night. We are in what place are we in?
I don't even know.
We're in Puerto del Carmen. So this is like the strip. Well, it's one part of the strip. This is like the very touristy place. There's another strip in the capital, Arrecife.
So we went there. It was too local.
It was very local.
Too local. So
and we thought, you know what, let's just go somewhere that's got more people. And here obviously got more people in
more
it.
vibe.
So we out here, and like, you know, as you can see, it's more lively, more colors, more stuff going on.
Did they see where it was not more lively and more vibrant?
No, they didn't, because the camera was in the back of the car.
You're gonna have to take our word for it.
You're gonna have to take our word for it, bro.
Straight like that.
You get me? But yeah, this is what we're doing. So see you when we find a restaurant. Alright, so we're in this place. I think, I don't know, but I think this place is called Carta. It could be called something else. Oh, sorry, I'm lying. It's called Da Vinci. It's called Da Vinci, and we are just having.
Whoever knew Da Vinci made food.
I know, that's him. Look at him. Why does he look so miserable in this picture? He looks slightly miserable in this picture. But yes, I'm having a sea bass filet. Hubby's having what? A T-bone steak?
I like meat. Gotta get beefy out here, man.
So I'm just having my fish, because I'm still a pescatarian. I'm true to my fish eating. I am going to become a vegan one day, and I might drag somebody with me.
What?
Listen, Beyonce and Jay-Z is doing it.
Don't care.
Beyonce
That's
and
their
Jay-Z is doing
problem.
this. Hello. No, it's okay. No, we're just
That's their
talking.
problem.
Have a nice evening, please.
How you doing?
May I have the grilled sea bass with no bones, if possible?
Fill it.
Yeah.
Please.
Woohoo!
Bon appetit.
Thank you. Ready?
Let's do it.
We just finished checking out. We are packing the car. Ah, my hat. Oh, Lord. Yes, so we're just packing the car. I was trying to look smooth, like a smooth exit, but that didn't work. Happy's there. Say hi. Morning.
Hi.
Hi, morning. Yeah, so we're just gonna drive around and get some drone footages. We didn't play with the drone too much. Our flight is leaving at 12 and it's currently 9:15, so we kind of on a tight schedule and we ain't had breakfast yet. Hey guys, we found a location. We've got lovely mountain views. So we've got some really nice footages just here in the middle of nowhere again. But yeah, but now it's our last day, so we're gonna be heading back now towards town and then probably get some last minute things to eat and then we're gonna go home. I really love this car, J-Lo's car. I know J-Lo's been promoting this car, but I really love this car. The only problem with this car is it doesn't do uphill. It struggles uphill, like you have to drive on first gear because it's like this island, like it's got a lot of like uphill and downhill roads, and it's like you have to keep it on first gear. What with this car anyway, like if you're not in first gear, the car will just roll back, and you don't want that to happen. It's happened to me once, and I was like, nah, I'm gonna keep it in first gear. But yeah, no, it's been a lovely little break, and celebrating 13 years. Love my life. The banana, he's concentrated on the drone. It's up there. Hey guys, so we're in the city. We're in Arrecife. We're literally picking up breakfast and then heading straight out to the airport. It's sunny, but it's so sunny. Look at this. This is the part of the town that you ain't seen. This is like the proper city, and it's just now we're getting over here. We out here.
It's too late. It's too late.
You look thought it was 8, yeah? What happened though? So the plane was 40. You know, thank God, you know, because I don't want to get on a 40 plane, but we're getting a new plane, so here we are again, waiting for the next plane.